see when he dreams. Hilarious.
He's like chasing.
And he's just off. He looks like he's going into convulsions.
You gotta film him jumping.